Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My January Boxycharm by Ipsy arrived yesterday, so in today's video we're going to do an unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. As always, I have Ipsy pulled up on my phone so I can tell you what I chose, what Ipsy chose, and what was my beauty boost for the month. I didn't think my box was ever going to show up because I got this really weird tracking number, and according to Ipsy it's still shipping, but it's right here, so I don't know what's going on. Here is the inside of the box. The first product are these brightening skin pads from Lauren's. Ipsy chose this for me. These brightening skin pads are enriched with lactic acid and plant extracts. I feel like I've received another product from Lauren's before and I didn't realize that this was the situation's wife. Proves how much I know. So these are going to help remove excess oil and debris, and you just use them 3 to 4 times a week. Next up is this Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Perfume Travel Spray. I chose this. I just want to get into perfumes more, and I would just like to say, according to the Ipsy website, this little thing is $65. That's insane. This is just 10 milliliters. This scent perfectly captures the freshness of spring. It features notes of aquatic lily of the valley, sparkling ouzo, sandalwood, and sheer musk. And this will create a scent that feels like sunshine on your skin. I saw sandalwood and musk. If you are new here, I just really like scents that are like that. So let's see. I smell very floral. It's pretty. This will be a really pretty scent for the spring. The next product that I chose is the MAC Cosmetics Locked Kiss 24-Hour Lipstick. This is in the shade Meticulous. I'm gonna probably shock all you guys. I don't own a lot of MAC products. I have a couple of mini lipsticks and I've used the Fix It spray a couple of times. So when I saw there was a MAC option, I was pretty excited. I don't want to swatch this on my lips right now, so I'm just gonna do a hand swatch. Really pretty. This is a color I love, so I'm probably gonna use this all the time. It's just a typical lipstick. The packaging is nice and sleek, which I really like. It's going to get lost in my pocketbook. The next item that I chose is the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Curling and Lifting Mascara in black. I'm going to shock you guys again and let you know I've never tried this mascara. I know. I've tried the e.l.f. dupe, and I really like the e.l.f. dupe, so I'm really excited to try the Benefit one. I do like Benefit mascaras. I love Bad Gal Lash. Ipsy's next pick for me is this YC Collection Eyeliner Eyeliner Duo in San Juan and La Perla. So these are two eyeliners, and I really like how at the bottom it has the little smudgy thing. I've been really into smudging my eyeliner out lately. Let's swatch these two. First one is in San Juan. It's just a basic black eyeliner, and then La Perla looks like it's like a little bit of a metallic. Ooh, La Perla's really pretty, and on camera it looks just like a silver, but in person there's like purpley reflex and blue. Really pretty. The beauty boost for this month is the Tarte Maneater Nightfall eyeshadow palette. I know a lot of people don't love Tarte right now, but this palette is really pretty, and I'm really excited to use this. I was going back and forth about buying it. I didn't really buy it because of the blues. I just felt like there was a lot of blues in here, but there are a lot of neutrals, which I am a neutral girl. So I'm really excited to use this palette. I love Tarte eyeshadow palettes, and the packaging is cheetah print, and the eyeshadows have cheetah print. I'm a cheetah print girl. And I did get it in on this month, and this is the Benefit Plush Tint. This is in the shade Purr. It looks so pretty. Oh, it's a really pretty berry color. Ooh, I love it. I got one of these in my advent calendar and I really liked it. I can't remember the shade right now. I'll link it down below. After I filmed the unboxing on the advent calendar, I went online to see if they had other shades, and I saw this. Then when I was scrolling through the add-ons, I saw this was an add-on, so I got it. They are really tiny. This is just 2 milliliters or 0.07 fluid ounces, but a little goes a long way with this, and it's just a lip tint, so I would probably use this to just line my lips and kind of like blot it out and then add like a gloss or something on top. And that was my January Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. I think this month was a good month. I got a nice balance of makeup and skincare, which I love. I'm really happy I got 2 products from brands I don't really purchase from, like MAC and Benefit, and I'm very excited for the Beauty Boost because, like I said, it was something I was thinking about purchasing and ended up not purchasing for myself. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!